Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set e-size sheet. So very easily you can set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to click on page layout, this tab. Now click on size and here you need to find e-size sheet. You see here this, so just click on it to set it. And you can't find here, so click on more paper size and here this paper size, click on it and you can find here easily. Just click on it and now click on OK and you can very easily set it. So this way you can set. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.